Bhopal gas tragedy, 337 empty toxic waste at Union Carbide factory moved after 40 years. What is the rules for toxic waste disposal in India? The Bhopal gas tragedy, which occurred on the night of December 2nd 3rd in 1984 in Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh, is considered the world's worst industrial disaster. A catastrophic leak of approximately 40 tons of methyl isocyanate (IMC) gas from the Union Carbide India Limited (UCIL) pesticide plant exposed over 5 lakhs people to the toxic fumes. Immediate estimates reported around 3,000 deaths, but subsequent elevations suggest that the death toll may have exceeded 50,000, with hundreds of thousands suffering from chronic health issues such as respiratory problems, eye irritations, and neurological disorders, and legal and compassionate battles. Victims and advocacy groups continue to seek justice and advocate compensation. In 1989, Union Carbide paid $470 million to settle litigation, but many argue that this amount was insufficient given the scale of the disaster. Efforts to secure additional compensation have faced legal hurdle, and many affected individuals feel that justice has not been fully served. Environmental contamination. Approximately 337 metric tons of hazardous waste remain stored at the now defunct plant site. Despite the central government allocating 126 crore to the Madhya Pradesh government for disposal, the waste was not being adequately addressed, leading to soil and groundwater contamination that poses ongoing risks to local communities. Why is in the news now? After 4 decades, the government has initiated the removal of toxic waste from the Union Carbide factory site in Bhopal. This action flows a directive from the Madhya Pradesh High Court, which set a 4-week deadline for the disposal of the hazardous material. Where is being disposed? Approximately 337 metric tons of toxic waste are being transported to an incineration facility in Pithamapur near Indore, located about 225 kilometers from Bhopal. The process began in late December 2024 with specially reinforced GPS-enabled trucks carrying the waste under police escort to ensure safety. The incineration at Pithampur will be conducted under strict environmental controls. The facility employs a 4-stage filtration system to prevent air pollution, and the resulting solid residue will be securely stored in a landfill designed to prevent any environmental contamination. How long it will be take? Official estimates that disposal process will be take between 3 to 9 months depending on the rate of incineration. This development marks a significant step toward addressing the long-standing environmental hazards forced by the residential waste from the 1984 Bhopal gas tragedy. The removal of safe disposal of these toxic material are crucial for mitigating ongoing health risks and environmental contamination affecting the local population. What are the rules for toxic waste disposal in India? The hazardous and other wastes management and transitory movement rules 2026 govern the disposal of hazardous waste. It established under the Environmental Protection Act 1986. These rules aim to ensure the safe handling of generation, produce, processing, treatment, storage, transportation, and disposal of hazardous waste to prevent environmental and human health hazards. Types of hazardous waste. Inability can create fire under certain condition, flash point 1600 degrees above. Example: waste. Reactivity: substances that are unstable under normal condition can cause explosion, produce toxic forms, vapors, pH value between 2 and 11.5. Example: cyanide, sulfide, batteries, etc. Coercitivity: acids or bases pH levels less than or equal to 2 or greater than 12.5. If a liquid, it will be corrode steel. Toxicity: harmful when ingested, absorbed, leach from waste and pollute grounding water. Lead, mercury, etc.